Good morning to all. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. Students, in this video we will learn division of a polynomial by the long division method. It's a very important method. Usually it comes in 4 marks in your exam. So watch the video very carefully. Now students, we are starting with a new topic, that is long division method. Now we will learn how to divide a polynomial by a binomial by the long division method. Okay, fine. We are starting with this question with the help of one example only. I'll explain you. After that we will move to the exercise. Very first I'm taking one example number 7 here. Example 7. Have a look everyone. The question is divide 3y raised to the power 5 plus 6y raised to the power 4 plus 6y cube plus 7y square plus 8y plus 9 by, you have to divide it by 3y cube plus 1. ठीक है, आपने इससे डिवाइड करना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व योर डिविडेंड एंड डिवाइडर. डिविडेंड एंड डिवाइजर बोथ शुड बी इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. दोनों स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में होने चाहिए. पावर 5 4 3 2 1 0. इट इज़ ऑलरेडी इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ठीक है, इफ इट इज़ डायरेक्टली गिवन देन नो नीड टू जस्ट डू इट, वी हैव टू जस्ट चेक इट. Otherwise, we have to convert it into the standard form first, then we have to move on. Your divisor must be in a standard form, both dividend and divisor both. ठीक है, it is already in the standard form, so we are not supposed to do anything. Now move to the question. जैसे हम divide करते थे, हमने divide वाला sign लगाया. 3y raised to the power 5 plus 6y raised to the power 4, 6y cube, 7y square plus 8y plus 9. You have to divide it by 3y cube plus 1. इससे आपने divide करना है. Now everyone underline the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor. Very first we have to divide the first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So आप देखोगे बेटा, it is your division of monomial by monomial we have done in the worksheet number 2. So I told you that you have to solve it in 3 steps. Very first you have to observe the sign. Both are positive, so it is positive. 3 से 3 cancel, we get it as y square. Bases are same, parts will subtract. Okay, so 5 minus 3 we get it as a 2. The answer we get by dividing first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor is the first term of your quotient. It is your y square. आपने ये यहाँ पर show करना है बच्चे. It is y square. Fine. The underlying term that you will multiply your dividend and your divisor and quotient. So first term multiplied by this term is the first term as it is. जो आपने underline किया था, that will remain as it is. Okay. Now 1 multiplied with a y square. 1 multiplied with a y square. It is y square plus 1 y square. Keep in mind, आपने like term के नीचे like term लिखना है. It is your plus 1 y square. Y square के नीचे ही लिखना है. As these terms are missing, so it is 0 plus 0. It is a special type of the question जहाँ पर ऐसा होता है. Otherwise directly आ ही जाता है. Now after this we have to subtract. You know, when we subtract the polynomial we have to change the sign. It's as it is plus become minus, 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 minus. 3y raised to the power 4 and minus 3 raised to the power 5. It will cancel. First term will cancel. 6y raised to the power 4 minus 0, that is your 6y raised to the power 4 plus 6y raised to the power 3. Now 7y square minus 1y square, it is your 6y square, है ना, plus 8y plus 9. This is our new dividend. Whatever the steps we have done here, the same we have to proceed here. So very first I am recalling, what we did, we have to underline the first term of your dividend, then you have to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. आपने जब divide किया, you get the y square. After division, this is the first term of your quotient. We write it here, it is y square. Now students, when you will multiply the divisor and quotient, you will get the first term. So you are not supposed to multiply, you will write as it is your first term of the dividend. Then whatever is written with your this divisor, multiplied with this. 1 multiplied y square, you get it as a y square. Keep in mind like terms should be together. So आपने y square के नीचे लिख दिया. As these two terms are missing, you will write it as a 0. Then subtract. After subtraction, we get our new dividend. Fine. Now the same steps we will proceed now. Very first, underline the first term. Okay. First term is 6y raised to the power 4 whole divided by the first term of the quotient, divisor. What we get? 3 ones are, 3 twos are. It is 2. Y raised to the power 4 and y cube. It is y. That 4 minus 1 we get, 4 minus 3 we get it as a 1. So it is 2y. This is the second term of your quotient. It is plus 2y. Plus 2y. Okay. Now बच्चा जो underline किया था that term you will write as it is, because 3y cube multiplied by 2y you get the same. करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, you will write it as it is. Okay. Now 1 multiply. 1 multiplied by 2y you get plus 2y. Mind it, y के नीचे ही आना चाहिए. It is your 2y. Fine students. बीच वाली missing है. We will write it as a 0. Fine. Same we were doing. Now subtract. Sign change. First term 6y raised to the power 4, 6y raised to the power 4. Cancel. 6y cube minus 0. 6y square. 8y minus 2y. Now consider only the new sign. 8y minus 2y, you get it as a 6y plus 9. Okay? This is our new dividend. Whatever we have done in these two steps, the same we have to proceed here. Very first, underline the first term. You get it here 6y cube divided by first term of your divisor. 3y cube. Cancel ho gaya. You get it as 2. So plus 2 is third term of the quotient. First term of the quotient, second term of the quotient and third term of the quotient. Okay. So 3y cube multiplied by 2, that is same, no need to multiply. First term as it is. 1 multiplied by 2, you get it as a 2. So it becomes your number के नीचे ही लिखा plus 2. It is 0 and 0. Fine, now change the sign. First term cancel. 6y cube minus 6y cube cancel. 6y square plus 6y. 9 minus 2 you get it as a 7. ये अपना आपके पास आ गया. But mind it, this is not your new dividend. This is your remainder. How we come to know this is the remainder? Keep in mind student, remainder is always remainder. How we will come to know what is our remainder? How we will come to know what is our remainder? That degree is less than divisor. जिस step पर remainder की degree less than divisor हो जाएगी, that step will be the final one. Now you can check. This is your divisor 3y cube. Okay, so degree is 3. Degree is 3, and here degree is less than 3. It is 2. So that's why this is our remainder. Fine students. So you will write here quotient is equals to y square plus 2y plus 2. Remainder is equals to 6y square plus 6y plus 7. So I hope this is clear to all. Fine. Chaliye. Now we are starting with a question number 2, which is very very important beta. Usually this question comes in the 4 marks question. So आप सबने ध्यान से सुनना है. Question number 2 of the worksheet number 3. Question number 2 said, using long division method, divide the following polynomial by a binomial. आपने divide पर काम करना है thoroughly and check your answer. After 2-3 question I'll tell you how to check. अभी हम सारे यही सीखेंगे that how to divide. If you will know how to divide, I'm telling you checking आप सबको आ जाएगी because we will do it by the trick. I'll tell you that trick. Okay, so let's start with your first question. मतलब second question's first part. Second question का first part है हमारे पास divide 4p cube minus 4p square plus 6p minus 5 by 2 by 2p minus 1. ठीक है, I told you the first step. Very first you have to check whether it is in the standard form or not. Power 3, 2, 1 and 0. That means it is in the standard form. Same as this standard form. Now let's start the division. 4p cube minus 4p square 6p minus 5 by 2 divided by 2p minus 1. ठीक है बच्चे, let's start it. The first step is underline the first term of the dividend and the divisor. Okay, so divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. You are supposed to show this. Okay, solve it. Both are positive, so it will be positive only. 4 divided, you get it as a 2. P cube by p, we get it as a p square. Power 3 and 1. 3 minus 1, we get it as a 2. This is the first term of your quotient, 2p square. Okay, 2p multiplied by this one. This is the first term. Okay, तो आपने ये underline वाली term ही है, इसको बिना सोचे लिख दो. Now minus 1 जो remaining part है, minus 1 multiplied by 2p square. हमने यहाँ multiply करना है. Minus 1 multiplied by 2p square, we get it as a minus 2p square. p square के नीचे लिखना है mind it. Minus 2p square. साथ साथ था, it can be fine. Now change the sign. As it is plus become minus, minus become plus. Both are same term with opposite sign, cancel. ठीक है. Now अब इन दोनों को solve करके बच्चे p square तो आने ही वाला है. Fine. Minus 4p plus 2. Minus 4p plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2. That is your minus 2p square. Borrow kiya, we get it as a 6p, we get it as a minus 5 by 2. This is our new dividend. This is our new dividend. Fine. Now first term of the new dividend is minus 2p square divided by 2p. So what will be the second term of the quotient? Minus, cancel, p square by p, we get it as a p. So it is your minus p. Fine. First term तो हम ऐसे ही लिख देते हैं. वो कहाँ से आती है? मल्टीप्लाई करके. तो इसलिए क्योंकि डिवाइड करके ही आया ये, आप इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, you will get your dividend. तो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, you will get the same. Now minus 1 multiplied by minus p, we get it as a plus p. p के नीचे ही लिखना है. Change the sign. Minus become plus, plus become minus. It's cancel because minus 2p square plus 2p square. After solving these two, we will get p. p तो आना ही आना है. Okay. Plus 6 minus 1. It is your 5. Minus 5 by 2. This is our new dividend. This is our new dividend. Okay. Now फिर से first term of the dividend, 5p divided by 2p. 5p divided by 2p, cancel. You get it as a 5 by 2. Okay. Now it's 5 by 2, our new term of the quotient. So we write it here 5 by 2. First term तो we always write as it is, जो underline हम करते हैं. Minus 1 multiplied by 5 by 2, we get it as a minus 5 by 2. Change the sign. Minus become plus, plus become minus. 5 by 2 minus 5p minus 5p cancel, plus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2, that is also cancel, everything cancel, we get it as a 0. So bacha, what is the question? We have to write the answer. Quotient is equals to 2p square minus p minus 5 by 2 and the remainder is equals to 0. You have to practice a lot. Simple one. जिसको ये step समझ में आ गया, it is same as. Fine. Move to the question number 2. Question number 2. Everyone. Now the question number 2 is x minus 6 plus 15x square by 2 plus 3x. Any one of you can tell me the first step of the this division, long division? Very first we have to check the standard form. Very first we have to check the standard form. ठीक है बेटा? Dividend and divisor both. हमने इसको standard form में लिखा. सबसे पहले it becomes your x square, 15x square. Then power x, it is plus x. Then it is your minus 6. It is the standard form. By इसको भी standard form में change करो. This is your 3x plus 2. This is the standard form. ठीक है बच्चे? अब हमने divide किया 15x square plus x minus 6 divided by 3x plus 2. Fine. जो पहले किया था the same we are doing. First term, underline किया. First term, 15x square by 3x. So what we get? It is your 5. X square divided by x, we get it as a x. That is 5x. First term is 5x. Fine. First term को तो हम as it is लिखते होते हैं. अब जो remaining, underline से remaining है, you have to multiply it with your quotient. Arrow लगा लेना ऐसे आप. 2 multiplied by 5x, you get it as a 10x. Mind it, x के नीचे ही लिखना है. It is 10x. Fine students. Change the sign. Plus become minus, plus become minus. Keep in mind, ये नहीं करना कि हमने माइनस को उसी के अंदर मर्ज कर देना है. फर्स्ट लाइन, सेकेंड लाइन, थर्ड लाइन फॉर द चेंजिंग ऑफ द साइन. फोर्थ लाइन में आप अपना स्टेप लिखोगे. क्लियरली विजिबल होना चाहिए दैट यू आर चेंजिंग द साइन. फाइन. चलिए 15x square minus 15x square cancel. First term will be cancel. These two are x terms, तो x तो आना ही है. Plus 1 minus 10, we get it as a minus 9x. Borrow किया minus 6. This is our new dividend. First term divided by 3x. बच्चे 1 is minus, so it's minus. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. So we get it as 3x cancel. Second term is minus 3. Fine. Minus 3. First term as it is, जो underline हम करते हैं. Plus 2 multiplied by minus 3, we get it as a minus 6. Minus 6. Minus become plus, minus become plus. Minus 9 first term तो आपकी cancel. This is your minus x plus 6x. Minus x plus x becomes your 0. So division over. Can you tell me what is the quotient? It is your 5x minus 3. And the remainder is 0. सबने ज़रूर mention करना है बाद में. All done? बच्चे, third part is same as your question number 1 and 2 that you will solve yourself. Now I am moving to the question number 4. Very, very important. ठीक है? In this video we will complete till question number 4. Question number 4 is y cube minus 8 by y minus 2. Question बिल्कुल simple है, but one thing we have to keep in mind. You will see students, here terms are missing. Y cube देयर इज नो टर्म ऑफ स्क्वायर, तो हमने उसको लिख दिया 0y स्क्वायर, एज टर्म ऑफ y इज मिसिंग 0y, उसके बाद तो कांस्टेंट ही हो जाता है, y क्यूब y स्क्वायर y, देन वी आर हैविंग द कांस्टेंट इज देयर -8. इफ एनी ऑफ द टर्म इज मिसिंग, that you will replace by 0 with that power, if any of the power is missing. Okay, so it is your y -2. ठीक है, same steps. First step, that is underlining, y cube by y, we get it as y square. ठीक है बच्चे, y first term as it is, -2 multiplied with this one, 2y square, माइनस become प्लस, इट इज़ योर माइनस, कैंसल. ठीक है, तो आप देखोगे बेटा क्या आ गया, इट इज़ वाई स्क्वायर, इट इज़ योर 2 प्लस 0y -8. ओके, सेम. नाउ फर्स्ट टर्म, डिवाइडेड बाय y, इट इज़ योर 2y. ठीक है, सो 2y, यहाँ फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ द क्वेश्चन 2y. नाउ 2y स्क्वायर एज इट इज, -2 multiplied with that, it is your -2 multiplied by 2y, it is your -4y, -4y, change करो, it become plus, it is minus, sign change, it is your 4y. ठीक है बेटा, बोरो किया -8. ठीक है, now same term again, first term underline, 4y divided by y, term is 4, it is your 4y -2 multiplied by 4 is -8, sign change, plus and minus, cancel हो गया, -8 plus 8, that is your 0. So again your quotient is y square plus 2y plus 4 whole divided by that the remainder is equals to 0. So यहाँ तक क्लियर हुआ सबको? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 and 6 सेम as these questions. ठीक है बेटा, तो in the next video we will